This game is called the OXO game. It's really fun. You have to draw something like this. I've done it already. Everything's crystal clear. And you need a dice or an eraser. It has two sides. One side is X. The opposite is O. A and B is going to play this game. A has to toss this dice. Okay, 1, 2. Go. It's O. So A has to speak a sentence of English. Leo has a car. Here, O. It's the turn of B. B has to toss this first. 1, 2, 3. But actually, if there's a dice, it's much better. Let me check it. O again. Okay. So B has to speak a sentence of English. Sarah. No. James. James lives in New York. It's A's turn. Go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. A has got an X. So A is going to have 1 point, I think. A says, Sarah drinks a lot of water every day. Okay, you can say 1 OXO has become into being. So we cross it. So this game's rule is pretty simple. And A has got 1 point. Yeah, every student likes this game. And if there's a X here, and O here, and 1 would get 1 point, is it easy? If B gets an X, so OXO, so B can get 1 point. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Yeah, it's very time consuming to complete this game. So hopefully you are clear with the rule of this game. You can try this game with your friends, with your students, with your kids. You're going to love it without any questions. I assure you. Okay, it's pretty easy. Okay, guys, if you like this game, please give me a like. Bye-bye.